Stop scrolling. If you are an overseas Pakistani with property back home, this is the most important video you will watch. For too long, your hard-earned assets have been vulnerable to fraud and endless legal battles, but not anymore. A new landmark law, the establishment of Special Court Overseas Pakistani Property Act 2024, is here to protect your interests like never before. Let's break it down. I am Barrister Kamran Ilyas Raja, practicing in Pakistan, and welcome back to my channel. For years, one of the biggest headaches for our amazing diaspora who contribute so much to our economy has been property disputes. Land grabbing, endless court cases, fraud. It's a nightmare that often make people hesitant to invest or even visit Pakistan. But guess what? The government of Pakistan has finally taken a massive step to fix this. This isn't just a bill, it's a law that came into effect on 28th of October 2024, and it's designed to protect your property rights. Let's be honest, the old system was tough. Imagine living thousands of miles away and someone tries to illegally occupy your land, or a family dispute drags on for years in court. You can't just fly back every other week for a hearing, right? The delays, the frustration, the lack of a dedicated forum, it was a huge deterrent. This act directly addresses those pain points. So, what does this act actually do? Let's break down the key features. This law establishes brand new dedicated special courts specifically for property disputes involving overseas Pakistanis. No more getting lost in the general court system backlog. These courts will handle all matters related to immovable property, land, houses, buildings, and any rights related to them. This includes disputes over ownership, possession, sale, agreements, illegal occupation, and even inheritance issues related to your property. 90-day deadline is perhaps the most exciting part. The Act mandates these special courts must dispose of cases within 90 days from the date they grant leave to defend to the respondent. Imagine your property case potentially resolved in just 3 months. Many of our overseas clients ask this question, as in how long will the case take? We couldn't answer this question before. However, now it's the law itself which is answering the question and which is actually reducing our burden. There is no need to fly back just to file a document or receive a notice. The Act allows for electronic filing of petitions and documents. Plus, notices can be sent through modern means like WhatsApp, email, and courier services, making communication much faster and more reliable. And here's another game changer for transparency and your peace of mind. Yes, you heard that right. This act allows you to participate in court proceedings through video link. This means you can actually see what's happening in your case, monitor your lawyer's performance, and stay fully engaged without having to physically be in Pakistan. It's about bringing the court to you. To prevent endless delays, the court will typically give parties a maximum of 2 opportunities to produce their evidence. This cuts down on unnecessary adjournment. The Act also includes powerful provisions like Section 14, which can be a huge relief if your property rights are violated. It empowers the special court to order the whole or partial payment of compensation. This means the court can ensure you get financial relief potentially even as an interim measure to mitigate your losses. It's about ensuring justice isn't just about winning the case, but also about getting tangible relief for the damages you have suffered. And the question is, if I have an old case, so don't worry about it. Section 13 of this Act clearly states that all existing property related cases where an overseas Pakistani is a party will automatically be transferred to these new special courts. They will pick up from where the case left off. So, who is an overseas Pakistani under this Act? An overseas Pakistani broadly, generally, It's a Pakistani citizen holding a valid Pakistani passport, CNIC, NICOP, POC or OPF membership card who has been living, working or studying abroad for more than 182 days in a tax year. So what does all this mean to you? Your property is now better protected against fraud and illegal occupation. It builds confidence for you to invest more in Pakistan. You can manage your property affairs with greater ease and less stress even from abroad. No more waiting years for a decision, and you can stay on top of your case and your legal representation as well. The possibility of compensation offer real financial security. This act is a clear signal from the government that they value our diaspora and are serious about addressing their long-standing property concern. While this is a fantastic news, remember, this vlog provides general information only. Property law can be complex. If you have a specific property dispute or need to file a case, it is absolutely essential to consult with a qualified lawyer in Pakistan who specializes in this area. They can guide you through the exact legal process and represent your interests effectively. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with other overseas Pakistanis, and subscribe to my channel for more updates and insights.